Okay, guys, so the market started the open, the two trades, two longs, so up 483. I just couldn't enable the screen recording too quickly, so we need one more trade. So let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, so that was it. Three trades, not one loser. So we did two longs, and then we did this short, up 724. So that's it, guys. If you're interested in the system, guys, you can contact me. There's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Okay, so guys, automation is the way to go. Stop trading manually. You will not go anywhere. You keep doing the same things over and over. You're just gonna be, doing the same things over and over again. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys.